Hi everybody, I am back with another tip on how to choose audience specific to your posts. Now the audience that you select for your post is going to be very different from what you've already predefined when you're setting up your business page. So I'll just give you a very quick tutorial on how to get this done. What I'm doing right now is I'm heading over to one of my Facebook pages and I just go to the status bar where I need to type in my post and add the picture. Now once you click on this, you see this target icon over here which allows you to choose a preferred audiences for the post. So let me just quickly write down something that I would want to talk about and choose the picture that will go along with the image, with the post. So as you can see that the post is about handmade and organic and vegan products that you can choose to give, choose to give somebody this festive season. And obviously my target audience is going to revolve around somebody who's into green living and who's into, organic living. So it allows me to search by interest. Once I click on that, it allows me to choose between a preferred audience and audience restrictions is there. So I'll just quickly run into preferred audience where I talk about green living and okay, so there's sustainable living which I would like to add onto this, and then there's green living. So there's green living tips, and then there is green living ideas which I would, which I think resonate with the post. And if you probably click on, there's a simple living, there's sustainability, and if you click on suggestions, it's going to probably give you, more options that you can choose from. So I will just stop it over here, and then I'll move on to audience restrictions. Now this limits on who can see the post. Now you probably would have thousands of fans on your Facebook page, but once you put on the audience restriction, it's going to filter out the entire audience for you, and it's going to show your post only to those particular those particular people you've chosen. So I have chosen between 21 and 65, and so let me just include the locations, which is United States. I'll choose United Kingdom because I have a lot of my audience that come from United Kingdom, and I have of course India where I am from. So once I have defined these restrictions, then there's Australia where majority of my clients are. So for example, I've just chosen these, and then I'll just take in United Arab Emirates. So I've just taken these entire, specific locations if I want to target it. Now, if you do not want to use any specific location, what you can do is just keep this field blank, and it just goes via the age limit that you've chosen. And then there's English. Then you can choose the languages which the people are proficient in. So I've chosen English all, and then that's it. And you just click on save. So once you click on save, you see that the target over here has come down. So it's sustainable living, green living tips, green living ideas, and it's got the pre-defined age and language that I would want to target the audience for. And all that you need to do is click on publish, and your post is now going to reach out the target audience that you've set. So this is how you can just actually set out to define a target audience for your post. So even if you have a varied audience on your post and you realize that there is a specific audience that you would want to reach out to, this is one way of targeting your post and reaching out to specific people. That's about it from now. That's about it from me from now, and I hope you really like this tip. Thanks. Bye bye.